Okay.
Hey, all right. Who's gotten Shatterball?
We're gonna break your window out. Here's the deal. Listen to me. Listen to me. If you don't want to talk, okay. Okay. Here, I get it. Listen. Unfortunately, these are your options now. These are your options now, okay? Okay, we're moving in. We're gonna break your window. We're doing it. You're under arrest.
Yeah, there's absolutely no chance that she's going to step out of the vehicle willingly. So it's on to the deputies utilising what is a first on this channel. Agency issued Shatterballs to break the front passenger side window.
Hands up. With your right hand, take your seatbelt off.
She's gonna crawl.
Right hand.
She's gonna crawl to us. Take off your seatbelt. Crawl over here. Do it now.